Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we have the unboxing of the Hot Wheels Car Culture Power Trip set, consisting of all 5 cars. Let's start with the first one. Let's unpack this. Super excited to be opening this. It's a really nice muscle set. Very nice. Let's have a look at this card art. We got Car Culture up on the top, Power Trip. Look at that. This is really nice, guys. Plymouth Barracuda Hemi. Real Riders, Mopar. This is really, there's 2 of the cars. There's the SRT Demon that also has a Mopar tampo on it. Over here in the back, we have all 5 vehicles. Car Culture, Power Trip, some collector information, the typical as usual, trademarks. Let's open this up. This Hemi Barracuda looks absolutely great. They did a great choice in selecting this Mopar livery combined with the jet black gloss finish. I absolutely love it. It looks nice combined with the red interior. I couldn't really ask for much more. They played it super safe and it contributed nicely to this overall Power Trip set. Plymouth branding on the rear panel, tampos, headlights, taillights, little chrome accents gets the overall job done. Next, the Buick Regal GX. We saw this debut in the Fast and Furious set last year. This is really nice burnout up on the card. This GNX just stands out. I never thought they would make this casting in white, let alone would have anticipated another midnight dark color of some sort before they went white. But this color choice, this metallic pearl white with those beige, tan, whatever color you want to call that, it arguably goes very well. Never thought I would have enjoyed this color selection, but it goes great. Buick branding on the license plate over there. Headlight, taillight details are phenomenal. Another great part to this collection. The details truly come alive with this one. Next up, we got this custom Chevy 1972 Love in this nice multicolor purple. I don't know if you want to call that peachy or pink with some orange, yellow, nice little rainbow. Again, all burnouts. Couple of pickups in this set. Really nice, really nice. This Chevy Love pickup spells branding all over it. Massive Chevy badging on the front, Chevrolet on the trunk hatch. I honestly really wish they would have opened. It would just give it that nice touch of opening parts similar to what Matchbox does. I would have preferred the black basket compared to a chrome color as a choice, but it's still a really solid option. License plate, tailpipes, all in this casting. They didn't make any changes that I know of since its introduction to the Hot Wheels lineup in 2015 and 16, but I believe, and to bring it to premium just makes this Chevy truck stand out from the rest. Probably one of the ones I was waiting for. This 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Look at that. car itself looks fairly nice, but that card art makes this car look really, really beastie. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be nice. Look at that. Look how wide, just that first glimpse, how wide these back tires are. This is absolutely beautiful. Demon. The only word, and this thing just screams at you. Another Mopar livery which just makes this thing look absolutely crazy. I mean, look at these wheels, super great wheel choice, SRT badging up on the top of the hood scoop, Mopar everywhere. Beautiful 5-spoke wheel riders, it just meshes great to deliver a true representation of this classic SRT Demon brought back to life. I mean, the tampos, from the little details of the decals of hood clips, make this generally a top favorite casting of mine of this set. I'm really absolutely enjoying this one. And finally, in the premium lineup, GMC Cyclone. We saw this debut last year as a brand new casting in the main line, and they finally decided to bring this to the premium car culture set, and I'm super happy that they did. They did a fantastic job on this. Just at first glimpse, this looks real rock solid. We've seen this one recently. We were super excited to see this one being released in the mainline version earlier last year, and couldn't be happier to see it graduate to a premium version in this sleek red with the black accented wheels and rear black bumper. These tampos are simple and plain. The mainline, if you folks remember, we had just a jet black version, but this one, the Hot Wheels team did a solid, super detailed front grille with that nice GMC emblem, the Cyclone branding on the side. I do wish that maybe again, similar to the GMC Love, that there would have been a little basket in the rear as opposed to it being closed, possibly with some opening parts. But the tampos are spot on. The taillights are phenomenal. Great detailing. Just a super choice. Overall, Hot Wheels has nailed this. Great, fantastic set. 2020 just keeps on being a super strong year for Hot Wheels, and I hope it continues into 2021. And that wraps this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video, as it would help promote this to others. Never stop collecting. And as always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.